Okay, guys, I have to apologize. This is Zoom as usual. Now, let me share my screen and let's complete. So, we said that we have to be careful of some prepositions because some of them are fixed. So, please, if you want to use merit, you have to use to. You cannot use will. This is number one. Number two, in any date this year, you have to use in. This is fixed. So this is fixed, cannot be changed, unchangeable, and this is fixed. And interested in is fixed. Absolutely. We cannot change the preposition. Now, live, guys, is changeable. I mean, with the bravo. If you are talking about people, parents, use with. But if you are talking about place, you have to use what?
In.
And thank you. For example, I live in Lebanon. So live is changeable. You have to be careful with people, in with a place. Okay. I live with my parents, a flat, the first floor.
On a flat.
In a flat.
In a flat, okay.
On the first
On
floor.
the first floor, exactly. So be careful about the flat and the floor. So where do you live? I live in a flat. Where exactly? On the second floor, the first floor, the third floor. I can say like this. Now five. He's very good at playing the piano.
About playing.
Okay, guys, before 10 years, only before 10 years, كان فقط مسموح مع الجود استخدم at. بس هلا بالانجليزيه الحديثه من كثر ما صاروا الطلاب يرتكبوا الاخطاء صارت الات الجود تقبل الان. فاذا بدكم تعملوا له جوجل you can google it. You can say good in, you can say good at only. I am good at math. I'm good at English. I'm good at playing the piano. I'm good in playing tennis. Okay? Again, this is fixed. Don't use any prepositions except for in or at. Now six. I like going a walk the park. Don't forget we have walk. For a walk. I loved it. Okay. Now I love going. Where are you going?
to the park.
Bravo, to the park. Where are you going? I'm going to the park. Why? For a walk. Okay.
Okay.
Now seven. This is a photo me holidays.
With me?
Are you
Of
sure?
me.
Of
Of
me.
me.
Oh, bravo. صورة لي photo of me. This is fixed.
on
At
holiday.
holiday.
What do you
At
think?
At holiday.
Are you sure? On holiday.
On holiday.
Bravo. This is fixed.
In Spain.
And it's a place like Turkey, thank you, in Spain. So holiday all the time takes on and place countries all the time take in. Amazing. Okay, eight. I got this jumper, my sister.
For my
With
sister.
my sister.
For or what?
For
With.
my sister.
With, some say with. With my sister. Okay, can you complete?
On my birthday.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure لأنه birthday بنحطها on.
So on. Okay. Guys, إذا بدي أقول I got this jumper for my sister on my birthday. طب ما هو عيد ميلادي. معقول بعيد ميلادي جيب أنا شيء لأختي؟ ما مفروض إنه أختي تجيب لي بعيد ميلادي أنا. فأحيانا بيتغير المعنى مجرد تنغير the preposition. Please be careful.
يعني with ولا for؟
Not with, not for, exactly.
From my sister.
برافو
my sister.
برافو رائد. from ما أصلا عيد ميلادي مش عيد ميلاد أختي. So I got this jumper from my sister. يا حبيبي إذا كل حدا بده يعمل عيد ميلاد يجيب هدايا للعالم ما حدا بيعمل. So I got this jumper from my sister in my birthday, not on. Okay?
طلعت معي غلط بالإكزام.
Yes, this is fixed. Guys, birthday fixed. Holiday
Yeah.
on fixed. Cannot be changed at all. Okay, guys? So please be careful because sometimes the prepositions are little confusing, and 100% in the final exam, I'm going to ask you a question about a preposition. Okay. Now I think we have to skip to discuss this page, which is about everyday English. I needed to be careful level 3 about something. أحيانا guys بنسمع طلاب بيقولوا هاي وأحيانا بنسمع طلاب بيقولوا hello وكمان بنسمع طلاب بيقولوا thank you وبنسمع طلاب بيقولوا thanks وبنرجع بنسمع طلاب بيقولوا can you help me وبنرجع بنسمع طلاب بيقولوا could you help me. Okay, in the social expressions, guys, you have to be careful. If the person you are talking to is your friend, you can say hi, you cannot say hello. You can say thanks, you cannot say thank you, and you can say can. But if you are talking to a person you don't know, you have to say hello, you have to say thank you, and you have to say could. Is that clear? Okay, so please be careful because we have formal language and informal language. Okay, now we have these 4 conversations about social expressions. Let's listen to them because we have some exercises about them. So 1.4, notice the way the people are speaking. It is 1.14. This is recording 14.
Tape script 1.14.
Someone is coming.
Listen and
Wait,
repeat.
Let me stop.
1.
Wait.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
Okay.
Tape script 1.
Okay, let
Tape
me...
script 1.14.
Please, let me stop this to accept Tagreed because she is coming. And now I have to play the recording. So let's listen to the 4 conversations.
Listen and repeat. 1.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
So, thanks for friends. Hi for friends. You can say what's up for friends, but don't say what's up to your doctor or to your teacher, please, because this is informal. Okay, 2. Please.
2.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
So this is formal. 3.
3.
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Thank you again. 4.
4. Excuse me, is that seat free?
No, sorry. I'm afraid it isn't.
So these are the 4 conversations, daily conversations, most people really use. Okay. Now we have this exercise about daily social conversation. Again, let's match A with B. What if someone said good morning? How could you respond?
Good morning. Lovely day.
Bravo. Good morning. Lovely
Lovely
day
day again.
again. Thank you. Now 2. See you tomorrow.
Bye, see you later.
Bye. See you later. Thank you so much. I really don't think so, but let's do it. 3. How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do? How do you do? Oh, bravo. So how do you do? And this is how do you do. Pleased to meet you. طبعا guys ما ننسى الفرق بين how do you do و what do you do. What do you do؟ أنت شو عم تشتغل. بينما how do you do؟ كيف حالك؟ So please be careful. 4. Thank you very much indeed.
Never
Thanks.
mind.
Never mind, perhaps another time.
Mm,
Are you sure?
Thanks.
Ah, thanks. Okay, same to you.
Thanks. Same to you.
Okay, let's do it. And we have a recording to check our mistakes. 5. I'm sorry, I can't come tonight.
never mind. Perhaps another time.
Never mind, perhaps another time. Amazing. Now 7, bye.
I can say bye, see you later.
So I have to say bye, see you later.
Yes.
So I have to delete 2 because it is not suitable. So bye, see you later. Okay, this is it. Now 8, bye, have a good weekend. Okay, guys, let me tell you something. Anyone is going to wish a good weekend for you, a good day, a good year. You have all the time to say same to you.
Thanks. Same to you.
Again, anyone is going to wish a good day, a good weekend, a good birthday. You have to say same to you. So bye, have a nice weekend. Thanks, same to you. So we have a mistake again with 4. Let me delete 4 and solve it again. Okay. 9, sorry I'm late.
It doesn't matter. You are here now.
It doesn't matter because you are here now. So this is it. 10, cheers.
Cheers. Here's to
Your new job.
Exactly. Cheers. Cheers. Here is your new job. Now let's go back to 2. See you tomorrow.
Of course. Oh, of course. What's the problem?
Are you
لا,
sure?
can you help me? Number 6, of course. What the problem?
So I think number 6 is, can you help me with this exercise? So, of course,
What?
bravo. What is the problem? So, now let me erase 6.
See you tomorrow. Yeah, about 9. And the
Yes,
coffee.
I think now it is, of course, what is the problem? So, see you tomorrow. Now it is good. So I have to say,
Yeah, about 9.
yeah,
No.
about 9. I will see you tomorrow. So this is it. Now we still have 5.
Don't
Thank you. And
Thank you very much indeed. Okay, how shall I respond?
never mind.
Never mind.
Mind.
Never mind. Never mind. لا أمانع أو لا توجد مشكلة لدي. So, never mind.
5 for never mind.
Okay. I'm sorry. I cannot come. Never mind.
And
لا
4
مشكلة.
for don't mention it.
Bravo. Don't mention it. So thank you so much. Don't mention it. This is it. My pleasure. إنه من دواعي سروري. Okay, so now I think it is logical. Let's try to listen to the recording to check if we have some mistakes. So 1.15. This is 15.
Tape script 1.15. Social expressions.
Wait.
1.
Good morning.
Good morning. Lovely day again.
It is correct. Now 2.
2.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, about 9 in the coffee bar.
It is correct. 3.
3.
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
It is correct. Thank you.
4.
Thank you very much indeed.
Don't mention it. My pleasure.
My pleasure. It's correct.
5.
I'm sorry, I can't come tonight.
Never mind. Perhaps another time?
Perhaps another time. Correct.
6.
Can you help me with this exercise?
Of course. What's the problem?
What is the problem? Correct.
7.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
So bye-bye.
8.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
Thanks. Same to you.
Same to you.
9.
Sorry I'm late.
It doesn't matter. You're here now.
So you are here now. It's correct.
10.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to your new job.
So that says it amazing. All the answers are really correct. So notice, guys, till now the exercises are really easy because we haven't seriously started yet. But I think the next class, all the exercises become harder and harder. Don't forget, please, level 3 is not that easy and it has too much important information. If you finish level 3 in a good way, you will make it level 4 because level 4 is the hardest. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is unit 1. That's amazing. I told you guys all unit 1 is going to be a revision. From the next class, absolutely, we have to start level 2 and we have to start all the important information, the new information in level 2. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
I have to thank you so much, guys, and I have to wish a good night for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.